All right, we're kicking up both birthdays. How about birthdays? Yeah, for today and Saturday. First off, Sydney Meringue out of Weir, Kansas. Happy 12th to you, Miss Sydney.
All right, Elizabeth Melvin turning 17 years old this year. Elizabeth is celebrating in Reeds, Missouri.
We hop back over to I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. A late belated birthday wish to Miss Elizabeth.
I can't forget that. Happy birthday, Miss Elizabeth. Now over to Columbus. Happy 23rd to Nate Thomas. Happy birthday, Nate.
He's got the right idea. Chilling on the water.
That's the place to be.
All right, and we've got a 37th birthday celebration for Justin Hancock in Sheldon, Missouri, with extra love coming from Mom this year.
All right, we continue on to Miss Ruby Wright, 90 years young, out of Columbus, Kansas. Happy birthday, Miss Ruby.
All right, Nadine Kaiser turning 92 years old, looking lovely in that picture, Miss Nadine, in Elsmore, Kansas.
All right, we are moving on. We have out of Parsons, Virginia Sanchez, turning 50 this go around. Happy birthday. We have Diana Baker out of Iola with love from the family, celebrating her 68th birthday this year. We also have Bill Punch out of Neosho, turning 66 this go around, Tanya.
And down in Miami, Doyle Schroyer, happy birthday to you. A couple of anniversaries to announce. We've got Don and Ellie Walburn celebrating 60 years together. That's a big one in Humboldt, Kansas. And Rick and Carolyn Norton are celebrating, hey, our buddy Rick, celebrating their 41st anniversary there in Pittsburgh.
And last but not least, Sean Cantrell with love from the family out of Yates Center, turning 53. Happy birthday, Sean. And that is what we have on the list. If you want us to give you a birthday or anniversary shout out, it's easy to do. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com. And that's not all that you can do as far as online and birthdays go, right, Tanya? That's
right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.